Alright, hey, what is up guys? It's your boy Lit Candles here, back again with a brand new video. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to get the glitch pot for the ready to player event. So first, what you guys are going to need to do is you're going to need to get on Bad Business. And this game is going to be on the hub for the Ready Player 2 event hub, obviously. But if you just want to, immediately get to the game a little quicker, you can just search it up on the Roblox game tab. But you can do whatever you want. What you need to do before anything is you see this little gift button here under the double XP thing. So you're going to hit it, and you're going to need to type in the term unicorn. I don't think it's cap sensitive. Yes. So once you get these goggles, the VR goggles, you're going to have to click the outfit button and go to the face item and click the VR goggles to equip them. And once you do that, what you guys are going to need to do is you're going to need to find a door and 8 unicorn pieces. Only 4 of those unicorn pieces are correct. And once you get all 4 of the correct unicorn pieces, there's 8 on each map and there's a door on each map. Once you get those pieces in the correct order in the door, it's going to teleport you to the next area. And once you get in the next area, it's going to be a very, I would say, pretty long zombie round. And there's going to be tons of kinds of zombies. There's going to be, just normal zombies, the fast zombies, jumping zombies, glitched out zombies. There's going to be a lot of hard zombies to deal with. And once you get through all the waves, and there is quite a lot of waves, so you're going to have to be pretty, careful. You can't be, messing around too much. You have unlimited ammo, so I guess that's a plus. But I think it's pretty easy. It's just, it's long, and there's a lot of zombies you have to kill, basically. So once you get all the zombies, you get through all the waves, then there's the final thing where you walk through the white room, like a white void, and you walk to the door, and there you get the mission unicorn complete and you get the badge. If you want more tutorials like this, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel and hit the post notification bell for more tutorials like this. That's all for you guys. Peace out.